Thank you so much for buying our Discover to Go kits. This month's theme is Seasons of Change, so we are super excited to do some awesome crafts. Today we have our pipe cleaner pumpkin because it is pumpkin season, and just in case you have any leftover Halloween candy, we are making some candy catapults. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, now we are going to start making our pumpkin. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take all your pipe cleaners out of the box, out of the bag. We've got 2 brown pipe cleaners, 1 green pipe cleaner, and a whole lot of orange pipe cleaners. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Now we are going to start with our orange pipe cleaners, and what you want to do is you want to twist the ends together and kind of smush it flat. Be careful of the sharp edges. There we go. So now we have something that kind of looks like an octopus. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make these little round parts of our pumpkin. We are going to start kind of spreading them out like this. It's a little tricky, but I know you guys can do it. Here we go. And make sure it's flat in the bottom so our pumpkin can stand on its own. Okay, now we're going to twist the top together, like this. Now you can make a little pumpkin, you can make one a little bigger. It's all up to you, because pumpkins grow in different sizes and shapes. And there we go, there's my pumpkin. Oh. There we go. My pumpkin kind of leans to the side, but that's okay, because again, pumpkins come in all shapes and sizes. Now, our pumpkin needs a stem. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our brown pipe cleaners and we're going to go around the top of the pumpkin. So you go around and around and around. Here we go. Oh. Let's see. Here we go. Okay. Now, do pumpkins grow on trees? No, they grow on vines on the ground. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some vines for our pumpkin. Now this is super fun. What you get to do is you're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around your finger and we're going to make a big curl. It's kind of like a spring. And then we're going to wrap it around our pumpkin stem. You can tug on it a little bit. And there you go. Here's your pumpkin. Now what's really cool about this pumpkin is this pumpkin is going to last for a very long time. Alrighty, now we're going to start making our candy catapult. So what you need to do is you need to grab the materials from the bag. We have lots of popsicle sticks. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 popsicle sticks. And we have a few rubber bands and a plastic spoon. All right, let's get into it. All right, now to make our catapult, first we need to get 7 of our 8 popsicle sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 popsicle sticks here. And you're gonna you wanna make a popsicle stick sandwich like this. Okay, now that you've done that, we are going to take a rubber band and we're going to wrap the rubber band around one of the ends. It's a little tricky. There we go. So that's one end. And then we're going to get another rubber band and we're going to wrap it around the other end. Like this. Now, we need to make the base for our catapult. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the last popsicle stick, and this part's a little bit tricky, so you might want to ask for help. It's okay. It's always okay to ask for help. And you're going to slip the popsicle stick under one of the sticks in the popsicle stick sandwich. So you see like that. And then you're going to stick it in. There you go. So that's going to be the base for our catapult. Now, we're going to take the plastic spoon and we're going to use a rubber band to hold the plastic spoon to our catapult. So what you're going to do is, this part's a little tricky too. Here we go. So it's gonna kind of look like this. And now we're going to test our catapults. Now, make sure you're not aiming it to other people or your pets or anything that can break. We don't want to hurt others, and we don't want to break anything in the house either. So find an empty space that you can test it out in, and whoa, you have a catapult. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for buying our Discover to Go kits. We had so much fun making activities together. Now keep an eye out for our December Discover to Go kit because we'll be making winter themed activities. So I'll see you then. Bye!